How you doing, guys? My name's Anton from Peerless Jal, and this is Jason from Mackintosh Floor Sanding. We're here in Clifton Hill with a late 1800s home, and we're going to show some real respect to the floor today. We're introducing Jason to our range of Eukula products. We're going to put a 2-pack custom stained oil into the floor, and then we're going to go over it with a Eukula water-based 2-pack system as well. So the floor is Baltic Pine and largely original, but obviously had some patchwork over the years. Jason, what have we done to this floor so far?
So this floor needed a full sand. I finished the floor with an 80 grit paper, and then the final cut was a 100 grit net.
And then we've gone ahead and water pumped it thoroughly to maximise the penetration and ensure consistency with the Eukula system. So what we have here is a custom mix of the Eukula Snow Oil and the Eukula Clear Oil. We're going to apply this directly to the floor, let it sit for 30 minutes so that it can penetrate, and then buff with a slow white pad. Jason, from a contractor's point of view, how did you find the oil system?
Fantastic. Very easy product to apply. Application was simple. You could sort of roll it and push it around wherever you like. Leaving the whole house, which we've done, and then coming back and buffing the product in and then taking it off. All in all, very happy.
Excellent. How you doing, guys? We're back here in Clifton Hill, and we're going to put a water base down over the oil that we've left now for 24 hours. Well, we're going to get going. How did you find the going from the oil to the water base and then using the water base in general?
It's my first attempt at an oil and water based combination. I had a good chance to play with a new product, and when I say play, I did play with it. So I gave it a fair chance for it to fail, and it didn't. It was amazing. So yeah, a very simple and easy to use system. That would probably be the best way to put it.
As far as a contractor is looking to perhaps try this system for the first time, what would you say to them?
Give it a go. Like don't be scared to try new products. There's people here to help. These products, these new products are fantastic, and just it opens up a whole new world to sanding floors.